Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Alaska token. Now the Alaska token is a Doge meme coin on the Solana blockchain that is actually trending number 14 right now in the Solana section on Dex Screener. Very popular meme coin today. I saw it trending yesterday as well. And we're going to go over the information on the Alaska coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token right now has 2,740 holders. They are off to a great start here. There's a total supply of 1,000 million Alaska coins, and that is also the circulating supply. If you want to follow their Telegram, it is at Alaska Memecoin, and they have 255 Telegram subscribers. So you can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listing announcements, partnerships, memes, of course. We got to see all the memes. And then their Twitter, which is at Alaska Memecoin, blue verified checkmark, 9 tweets. I'm going to put it up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this token. 909 followers, and they just joined in October 2024, and it has a link to their webpage right there, alaskacoin.meme. It says, "Woof, it's me, Alaska. Hop on the meme supercycle and let's chase those riches together." And wow, looks like Dex Tools is not fully updated because it says we hit 3,500 holders. So that is their newest tweet from 1 hour ago. So they're doing very well here. The Alaska's entourage just keeps growing. Welcome to the world of rich dogs and richer games. So yeah, it says 3,592 holders on their Soul Scan there. And they have a current market cap of $16,086,504, and current price is about 1.6 cents per token. Now, if you are looking to get this token here, like I said, it is on the Solana blockchain. So you would need a some sort of wallet, like a Soulflare wallet, a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. So you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange. Now first of all, you would download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store. You can get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. You could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. And then after that, you would go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, alaskacoin.meme, you would trade your Sol for this token here. Now, besides that, if you go to the webpage alaskacoin.meme, it has a disclaimer, and it says you have to confirm that you are not a citizen of Afghanistan, Egypt, Kuwait, China. Has a whole list of countries that are not supposed to get this token here, Vatican City, etc. So confirm and go to the webpage. And then it has, this video of the dog in the background, this rich dog with a crown. Has a link to DEX tools on their webpage, DEX screener, buy now button, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram. It says the rise of Alaska, the royal meme coin. From royalty to meme, the tale of Alaska. Alaska, the regal Samoyed, hails from the royal lineage of Prince Marcus von Anhalt. As he walked through the grand halls of his palace, Alaska's charm captivated the world. A meme coin like no other, with the grace of a prince and the loyalty of a friend, the fun of a meme. Why Alaska token is fit to be a king. It says in the Alaska crypto kingdom, Alaska sits on a throne as a coin that offers a royal legacy. So the Alaska meme coin stands as a legacy in the making, building a community of loyal followers, expanding its value and making history in the crypto world. Holders become part of his royal journey, loyal community. They offer a community-driven approach where holders are treated like royalty. You'll find a supportive, engaged community creating bonds just as strong as Alaska's connection to his royal family, and a majestic fortune. It's not just another meme coin, it's the embodiment of what is next. A visionary force leading the charge into the future of wealth and luxury. This is more than just a moment, it's the opportunity that you've been anticipating for, the start of something monumental. With a dynamic community and endless possibilities, Alaska is set to take the crypto world by storm. Loyalty, fun, and fortune. Inspired by the majestic Samoyed, Alaska isn't just another meme coin. It's a token built on trust, community, bound for the royal legacy of Prince Marcus von Anhalt's loyal companion. Fetch your fortune with Alaska. I guess we get the point here. I mean, they just kind of keep repeating themselves. At the bottom of the page, you can find an Instagram as well. So the Telegram, Twitter, big disclaimer, always read the disclaimers. This token pair was created 2 days, 22 hours ago on Raydium. Looks like they have been doing some marketing, a marketing boost. Their 24-hour trading volume today is $2.7 million. Right now, their market cap is $17.7 million, and they have $462,000 in liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. And trending number 14 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Very popular token today. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.